Has your home been damaged by flood, water, mold, asbestos, lead, fire, or smoke? NYTDR is one of the very few companies that can handle it all. Everything from insurance claims assistance, restoration, restructuring, redesign, and remodeling.
NYTDR is a one-stop shop for all your restoration needs. We stand by your side through the entire insurance process and redesign of your home.
You deserve a beautiful space that you and your family can call home. Call us and we will fight for you to get the coverage you need from your insurance company.
We won't stop there. We will rescue what's left and restore the dignity of your space.
Our top-class designers will recreate a home you love and overview the entire project for your peace of mind.
If you've experienced severe damage to your home, do not hesitate to call NYTDR today.
New York Total Damage Restoration, serving the New York City area. Call us at 212-206-1300 or visit our website at nytdr.com.